Here in Mount Hope, Ohio, Holmes County Power Show. This is a lineup of John Deeres. You see the beautiful landscape in the background. Looks like there's probably about 100, a little over 100 tractors here this year. This is my second year coming here. Show. A lot of John Deere stuff. A few cases and a few Alice Chalmers. Haven't seen any Farmall stuff. A few Fords. Some stuff restored. Great condition. I think I saw that tractor here last year. Some stuff a little older. It's very good vintage American iron here. It's definitely a good show, worth checking out. They have tractor pools over here under the tent. Food vendors set up over there. Also have the steam engines